Hi everyone, welcome to ItineraAI app, an app that is powered by AI to generate travel plan based on a specific location. You can put multiple locations to New York and Boston, a number of days, let's say 5 days here, and I want to be adventurous, cultural, with local cuisine and street food, and let's generate it. Will you generate 2.5 flat to generate an itinerary based on your specific config of New York City and Boston for 5 days. So with dark mode or light mode. Let's go light mode here. And you can see it's plan out the trip to New York first based on different day 1, day 2, day 3 with different location, and also lunch suggestion too. And also at the end here it will show you the trip to Boston. And also when you click beside the information of the places, you can also click on the view route in map to see this location is the route is planned in walking distance here. Add the chat to refine your itinerary. Let's say it's add more food option to the plan, and as it will also use Google Gemini 2.5 Flash to generate that. This is why maybe it's want you to clarify a few details you want: breakfast, lunch, dinner, or local food. I like suggestions for all meals. I like Asian food, but I also want to explore cities specific basic and popular place. Yeah, very specific to my each user, not just mine, but each user need to have to refine your plan based on your preference. And we run the chat here to refine the plan based on your suggestion. After running forward, say update the itinerary based on that, and it will update this with some food recommendation, like lunch at the Stone Street here, and dinner at Chinatown, just Shanghai, because I say I have some preference for Asian food, right? Thank you so much for listening to my presentation.